Hi, my name's Todd Sauter, and I'm the service advisor here at Parkland RV Center. And if you're anything like me, you're probably ready to get out there and start camping. But the million-dollar question is your RV ready for camping? Now, most people get to their campsite, RV's been in storage all winter, they start flipping switches, and that's when they find out all the things that went bad while it was in storage. That's why it's important you come see us before your first camping trip, because for $290, we'll not only de-winterize your camper, we'll go through and check everything to make sure your first camping trip comes off without a hitch. For $500, we can also hook this device up to it, and what this does, this is called Seal Tech. It'll pressurize the entire interior of the coach while our trained technicians soap up the exterior, because any place where air is escaping and they see bubbles is a place where water can get in. Water is the single biggest killer of an RV. If you want yours to last, you gotta find a way to keep the water out. So give us a call, come see us. We've budgeted our packages where if you do our deluxe summerization package in the spring and our deluxe winterization in the fall, you're gonna be in line with everything you need to do from a maintenance perspective to keep your RV serving you well for many, many years. And to do both packages, you're looking at annual maintenance expenses of under $1,000. So it's a great way to make sure you get plenty of good years out of your RV and you don't end up with one like this that's suffering from substantial damage. Obviously, we can make those big repairs, but it's a lot more affordable if we never have to. So give us a call at 573-431-2728 or check us out online at parklandrvcenter.com.